In this video, I'll show you Caspio's AI Assistant, a new way to build business applications using natural language. Let's start with a simple prompt. Build a simple contact management app. The AI Assistant reviews the request and proposes a complete application plan, including tables, pages, forms, reports, roles, and relationships before building anything. After reviewing the proposal, I decided to make a few updates, so I clicked Make Changes. Let's scale the application with 2 roles instead of 1, admin and employee. Let's also allow users to create, edit, and manage phone and email activity logs associated with each contact. The AI Assistant reviews the updated requirements and generates a new proposal based on the requested changes. And that's one of the biggest advantages here. You're not locked into the first plan. You can continue refining requirements, adding functionality, adjusting permissions, or expanding the scope of the application as many times as you'd like before anything gets built. Once you're happy with the proposed design, simply click Yes, Build It. The AI Assistant then creates the application for you. In just a short amount of time, the app is generated along with all the supporting components needed to run it. When the build is complete, you'll receive a summary showing everything that was created. To review your application, open the Designer. This is where you'll find all of your generated application components, including segments, app pages, and data parts. At this point, the application is fully functional and ready for review. But let's say we wanted to make a few changes. For example, in the Admin Contacts app page, add a pie chart called Contacts by Status that visualizes the number of contacts in each status category. Let's also seed the contacts table with 20 realistic sample contacts using a variety of statuses, including new lead, in progress, completed, archived, and canceled. Generate realistic first names, last names, phone numbers, email addresses, companies, job titles, and statuses. The AI Assistant reviews the request, proposes the changes, and then updates the application. In a short amount of time, the chart is added and the sample data is generated. This demonstrates that the AI Assistant isn't only useful for creating new applications, it can also help modify and enhance existing applications through simple conversational requests. Now let's take a look at the tables area. Here you'll find all the database tables, fields, data types, and relationships created for the application. One of the most valuable benefits of the AI Assistant is that it doesn't just generate pages and forms. It creates the entire foundation of the application for you. Tables are created automatically, fields and data types are configured automatically, and relationships are established automatically. And the underlying structure is wired together on your behalf, whether you're building a simple contact manager or a much more sophisticated business application. And that's it. We've gone from a simple idea to a working application, then continued enhancing it through natural language requests. If you'd like to learn more about Caspio's AI Assistant, visit our knowledge base at howto.caspio.com. Thanks for watching.